going to show you how to add link on Twitter profile. If you're on your Twitter the way I am, just click on your profile picture at the top left. You click on profile. As you can see, my blog link is in my profile, biography94.com. If you want to add a link like this into your Twitter profile, this is how you go about. You click on the edit profile. You scroll down. Here that is written website. You type in your link, or you can paste in your YouTube link. So that is how to add link on Twitter profile. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, give me a thumbs up by liking the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.